Hi, I'm Martin Pring. They say that a picture is worth 1,000 words, but I say that a chart is worth 1,000 pictures. And that's because charts in the financial markets often scream out very important messages that an important or significant trend reversal has taken place or is about to take place. Each month I publish a newsletter called the Intermarket Review, and each issue contains what I call the chart of the month. And that features a market that I think has just turned or is about to turn. So this series of videos aims at presenting these charts of the month. So if you're interested in them, please hit the subscribe button and you'll be brought up to speed on a regular basis. So without more ado, let's go to the chart room and see what's in store for this month. Similar to last month's, in that it features the CRB Spot Raw Industrial Commodity Index compared to the OECD leading economic indicators. The OECD publishes several versions of its leading indicators, two of which are featured in this chart. This blue one is the normalized one, and these green arrows show that when this series bottoms, commodity prices typically rally. Actually, it's more than typical, it happens pretty well all the time. That series is still falling. But the green line is the amplitude adjusted series, and that's designed to lead the normalized one. And you can see this from the orange arrows. This amplitude adjusted series turned up in April, the latest reporting period, which means that the normalized indicator can't be far behind. Remember, we're currently 2 or 3 months ahead of the actual reported data. Since the commodity index itself has already broken above its 12-month moving average, it's highly likely that commodity prices have bottomed for the cycle, though a successful test of the lows would not be surprising given the recent sharp run-up. Finally, this chart shows the same industrial commodity index, but this time I plotted recessionary periods in the US with the red highlight. If I'm right about commodities bottoming, then this chart tells us that the recession is most likely over. I'll explain. If you look at the chart carefully, you'll see that once the plot turns to black, in other words, it's the end of a recession, commodity prices usually rally. If they're going to fall, the decline is extremely limited. Here are two exceptions, in the early 1960s and a more blatant one in 1990. But look at all the good signals, as flagged by these green arrows. I'd say from this that the probabilities of a recession being over are pretty high now that commodity prices are rallying. If you enjoyed this chart of the month, you may want to go to Pring.com and download a free sample of our Intermarket Review, a monthly roundup of the world's principal financial markets with a special emphasis on the US. We also look at global indicators, bonds, precious metals, currencies and international markets using ETFs to execute our strategies as much as possible. You'll find unique indicators and intermarket relationships you cannot find anywhere else. In the meantime, thanks for watching and good luck and good charting.